Hey guys, what's up? This is Rob and welcome to another tutorial in the series of video tutorials on how to make a Dmod. This is going to be a quick one. I know I say that a lot, but this really is. I'm just going to be showing you how to install a script so you can use it as well. A script that will help you for testing is what I like to call it, but really what it really is the cheat menu, the ultimate cheat menu. And you know, rather than using it for cheating, it's a really handy tool. Like, you can increase your speed and you can change like variables, and like you can change the story of variable and all that, and it can really accelerate the testing process when you're testing things out of your Dmod. So that's why I'm sharing it with you, in case you don't know how to place that inside your Dmod. Okay, now one thing to mention is the way it works is obviously it's just a script attached to a key on your keyboard, and when you press that key it calls the script and brings up that menu. It's a choice menu, and then everything is scripted inside that. Now the best thing to do is put this script that's attached to the key in the Dink story folder, because if the key script doesn't exist in the Dmod you're editing, it's going to go and look for it in the Dink story folder. So if you put it in here, it'll work with you won't have to put it in all your new Dmods, it'll just work with them. Now, this isn't the default key. This key 74 refers to the J key on your keyboard. This isn't what it defaults to, I just changed it to that. I can't actually remember why. Maybe I just preferred the J key at the time. And also, this is Ultimate Cheat version 3.0. Now, I don't believe you can actually get this anymore from the Dink network. This has been updated, so it will be a little bit different, but I'll show you how to get version 3.1. So, the version I'm showing you how to get is the updated version compared to mine. And also it's been made a little bit more complex, and that's simply to fix some bugs apparently that it had, even though I haven't really noticed that many bugs, so I'm not sure. So go to the Dink network, and go to files, click on cheat, click on ultimate cheat, download the file, save it to your computer, which I've already done, so I'm not going to download it again. Navigate to the file, which is Alt Cheat 3.1, and what we're going to do is we're going to install Ultimate Cheat version 3.1. Now, with version 3.1, they've changed it. It used to all be done with variables, the Ultimate Cheat menu. Now, separate scripts are called for certain things. So, rather than a one script, which is the key 191 here, this is the version 3.1, it's actually going to use the key script and all these ones as well, the ones with the ULT before them in the brackets. This apparently fixes a lot of bugs, so I'd go for this one if you want to make sure there's definitely going to be no bugs. But if you want the single cheat script, you can use this, but this is a very early version 2.01, so I don't really recommend it. So we're going to go ahead and install this one. So just extract key 191 and all of these alt scripts, extract them to the Dink story folder. So that's Dink story. Okay, and just so you know, key 191 refers to the / key on your keyboard, and the way to find out what each number refers to on your keyboard, if you open the DinkC reference, which you can get from the Dink network, and you can just search for it, but if you go to the summoning page, which can also be found through here, you'll find it here, and this tells you exactly what each number refers to. So for instance, key 70 refers to the letter F. We're using key 191 for the cheat, and that's /. So there you go. So Now that you've extracted all the alts here and the key 191, you can open up your Dmod and give it a try, and it will work. And it won't interfere with my other cheat, my older version of the cheat, because that's binded to the key J. So as you can see, if I press /, this is it here, and it actually is a little different because in version 3.0 there wasn't this one here, detect scripted sprites. I'll press the J key now and show you. This is the old version, so you can see it's a little different. So let's actually press / and we'll try that one out. What does that do? Okay, that's interesting. You can actually detect the sprites that have scripts attached to them. Okay, so that is the basic tutorial on how to install the script for easier testing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.